In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to put Face ID on Piggyvest. So for you to be able to put Safe ID, all you just need to do, just log into your Piggyvest app on your Apple ID or on your iPhone or fingerprint, something like that. So you can just click on account down below. Then at the top right here, you can see enable fingerprint and face ID. You can see I've already toggled this on right here, which means anytime I want to perform any transaction or log into my account, fingerprint will be requested. And if you are on iPhone, your face ID will be also be requested once you toggle this on, so that you will be the one to have access to your account and nobody else will be able to do that. So once you toggle it on, you'll be able to, you have already enabled the face ID. And if you are on iPhone, you have already enabled the fingerprint on your Piggyvest account.